The road is quiet again. Just me and the engine. No expectations tonight. No pressure either. Just breathing and riding. Some days hit harder. Some days feel heavy. Not because of events, but because of thoughts. They stack up quietly. One thing at a time. Then another thing. Then another thing. Until you're overwhelmed. And don't know why. That's life sometimes. It creeps up slowly. It doesn't announce itself. It just builds quietly. Inside your head. That's why we ride. That's why this helps. The noise disappears. The mind clears out. Perspective returns slowly. Out here, it's simple. Just throttle and direction. Just balance and focus. Just the next mile. Nothing else matters. The road doesn't judge. The wind doesn't care. The darkness doesn't question. It just lets you exist. And sometimes that's enough. We don't need perfection. We just need progress. 1 mile forward. 1 breath deeper. 1 thought calmer. Let the stress go. Let the worry fade. Let the pressure dissolve. You're still moving forward. That's what matters. Even slow progress counts. Even small wins matter. Even quiet moments heal. Especially quiet moments. Those are powerful. This is road therapy. No appointments needed. No explanations required. Just ride and breathe. Let it all out. The engine hums steady. Like a heartbeat tonight. Constant and reassuring. A reminder you're alive. A reminder you're here. Every mile resets something. Every turn releases tension. Every straightaway brings clarity. Every second helps. Even when unnoticed. You're doing better today. Even if it's small. Even if it's quiet. Even if nobody sees. You're still improving. Keep your mindset high. Keep your attitude steady. Protect your peace. Guard your energy. Choose calm tonight. The world keeps spinning. Problems come and go. But this moment exists. Right here, right now. And it's yours. Breathe in the night. Let your shoulders drop. Ease your mind. Relax your grip. Just ride forward. No need to rush. No need to worry. No need to overthink. Just trust the road. And keep going. Tomorrow will come soon. Challenges will return. But you'll be ready. Because you reset tonight. Because you rode. That's the therapy. That's the healing. That's the clarity. Just miles and mindset. Just peace in motion. Keep riding forward. Keep choosing calm. Keep believing progress. Keep your attitude high. 1 mile at a time. Road therapy continues. The journey never stops. The healing never ends. The ride goes on. And so do you.